How to create a select element with UNOY. Go to your page node and press Add New Element. Choose Select. Your select element is now created. Double-click to rename it. Click into the option field to add a new option. You can add free text, reference a user's input. This is a text input field I created on page 1, so we can reference this, or reference system variables. For the first option, we will choose free text. Press Enter, and the next option field is created. Now I want to reference the text input from page 1. Next option field is created, and I want to add some free text. This will be option 3. Press Enter and we're good to go. Press Optional if you want it to be optional for your users to make a choice. Press Caption to add a caption. Press Description to add a description. Press Multi-Select if you want to allow your users to take more options, choose more options than one. And press Placeholder to add a placeholder. Visible in result data is pre-select, and this means that the choices your users make will later be visible in the result data of your module. Let's save and press Preview to have a look at our select box. This is page 1 with the text input field and also a number input field. Press Next, and now you see our select box. So this is the caption, and here we have multiple options. Option 2 is the text I just typed in the first page. Let's go back and have a look at the Advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can change the responsiveness according to the devices your users are using. You can add a style by adding a class tag. Change the size of your option boxes. You can display the options as a list box or drop-down. Add placeholders. Add a pre-selection. You can allow multiple pre-selections. Add a comment or a condition. Press plus to create a condition. Press Add Condition. Choose a system variable or a user's input. Add an operator and a value or another variable or user's input. So that's it for the select box. Thank you for listening and goodbye.